Hi and welcome to this comprehensive Allplan course. In this 6-part course, we are going to teach you how to design using Allplan, one of the most popular BIM softwares on the market. My name is Anita and this is my colleague Tibor. We are both licensed engineers and BIM specialists.
Yes, we have many years of experience in teaching Allplan, and we are proud to invite you to this very extensive course. Here you will find more than 100 video tutorials covering all of the aspects of architectural design, formwork drawings and rebar detailing. This course is divided into 6 parts, from the basics to the finished plot layouts for any type of construction project. We divided these topics into small parts that are self-containing subtopics. This way you can quickly find what you are looking for. So here are the topics.
In addition, feel free to contact us to further clarify any part of this course or suggest a topic that interests you. We will gladly answer your questions and record new videos for you. So join us and beam up your skills.
Yes, beam up your skills and see you.